Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson, and today we are going to talk about the well compact stone 4x6. So the first item that we need to do is about the compact stone 4x6 to the external slab, or we can call it SOG. So let's go through our drawing. First of all, we need to go to the typical detail of the slab, SOG. So as we can see here, number 3, we need to compact the crust stone 4x6 150 mm thickness to the external slab or SOG. So after we review the typical, and here is the layout, but first we need to open our QS Auto Pro. So we type QS menu as before and enter, and it will check the license and enter again, and it will open right away. Okay, as you can see right here, we got all the tools that we need. So after we review the typical, we go to the layout and find out where does the slab SOG exist. So as we can see right here, in the layout of ground floor, it shows the slab SOG. So this is the area that we need to calculate. Just a moment. Along here as well. So here and the SOG slab that we need to find the area and time the thickness of it. Along here as well, as it's marked right here. And at the front as well, the main entrance. So as it's marked, it's slab SOG. So with this area here and here as well, they all need to compact the crust stone 4x6. The thickness of it is 150 millimeter along here. For the inside half, we don't need the crust stone. As the detail right here, let me show you here. For the inside of the house, we don't need the crust stone. We only need lean concrete 50 millimeter thickness. We will calculate later on. So right now we focus on the well compact crust stone, as in typical that we need to execute it at side. So the thickness is 150 millimeter. So let's start. As right here, I already polyline the area that we need. So right now, let me remove it for you and then do one by one so you can see it clearly. So as we know, this area we need to find the area, so we need to polyline it along the area that we need. So from here to here, I'm gonna show you step by step so you can do it the right way. So along here and here to here as well, you just poly the area that have the SOG slab, and here as well. Okay, so I just take one area right here. Okay, and you click O or C, enter, not O, C, it stands for close. So basically right now you got the area that SOG slab existed. We need to do a well compact crust stone 4x6 at side. So here and here as well. So this one, as well, let me use the command PL and polyline the area that we need. So along here. Okay, you can just take it from here as well, because this one is a void, so take only this part, or you can just take it, you know, the full as well. It's not much different, so you can have some buffer in it. So from here, so this area are the SOG slab that we need the well compact stone along here as well. Okay. Okay, and then you type C, enter to close the area. So right now we got two area already, right? From here to here and here, and at the left hand side. Another one is at the front, also need a SOG, but right now I already get the areas because I don't want the video is too long, because with our tool, the QS Auto Pro, it's really fast, and I don't want you guys to spend a lot of time as well, because right here I do for you two area as an example, and this one I already mark it as an area as well. So there's three total area that we need to calculate. Okay, so just put the mile below the compactor stone. Next, you go to our tool, go to QS Auto Pro Network, and then you go down to, no, not that one. You go to QS Auto Pro Utility, and then go down to total area. All you can use is QSTA. So the shortcut is right here. This we can type the command, so it will give you like the same command, the same tool. So either you can go and like go in here and click the total area, or type QSTA. So right now let's use the shortcut is QSTA and enter. So right now it told us to select the area. So now you click the area that we need to compact the crushed stone 4x6. So we click one right here. Second one is on the left side, and the third one is from the main entrance. So the total area is three of it. And now you click enter, and now boom, we got the quantity. We don't need to type in anything. So we take the area and we will put the height. Just a second. So to become cubic meter, you need a area times the height. The thickness of it is 150 millimeter. So it's still 0 because we haven't put the height yet. So the height of the crushed stone is 150 millimeter. So you put 0.15. Boom. We will get the total cubic meter of the crushed stone that we need to compact below the slab SOG. So this one is very simple, as you can see. And after we are done with our quantity, you see it took only a few minutes. And now we want to double check it, make sure it's right. So you just put your mouse on the total area right here, and then you go to QI Auto Pro, and then you click on find item in AutoCAD. It's the same as before. After we do a calculation and we got the quantity, we need to double check every single time to avoid a mistake, and then you click find. So this one As you can see, it's really easy. It shows like where the quantity come from, and as I mentioned before, you can like take this and show it to your supervisors, your top management, your boss, or your client, talking about BQ, variation, order, VE option. There are a lot more. That's why this tool is really, really good, and also save us a lot of time and reduce the manual work, you know, and help us speed up our time, because as a QS there are a lot of tender, and quantity takeoffs is really important. It can affect with our cost, so we need to be really accurate at it, and this tool have a lot, as you can see, so we can know that exactly the area that we need to impact the creststone. And all you need is just one Excel, as I mentioned right here, and one is the AutoCAD. They're all in one Excel when the result comes, so you don't have like separate sheet, you know, and get complicated when the meeting start and then you just mess up everything. No, so this is what I have designed here. It just help us a lot as a QS with the quantity takeoff work, and here as well. So there are 3 areas that we need. So right now it's done for the well compact creststone 4x6. The thickness is 150 mm. So for next, we're gonna focus on the lean concrete, but right now I don't want the video always too long, so I just end the lesson right here, and thank you for watching. See you guys for the next lesson.